the Corsa Extreme exhaust catback system, and does it gurgle, snap, crackle, and pop? Yo, what's up Hemifam family? Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Corsa Extreme exhaust catback system, and does it gurgle, snap, crackle, and pop? That has got to be one of the biggest questions that I get asked daily, car shows, when people come up to me and ask about the Corsa, is does it still snap, crackle, and pop? And we are gonna find all that out in today's video, guys. So if at any time throughout this video you liked it, it helped you, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you can stay up to date with all of our social media channels, everything we post for you guys. And let's have some fun with the Scat Pack and the Corsa Extreme exhaust, my friends. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. This has been does the Corsa Extreme snap, crackle, gurgle, and pop, and fact checked it. Yes, it does, guys. So if you are looking at this exhaust system, I know the stock exhaust with a mid muffler delete snap, crackles, and pops. This one does the same, if not more, and louder, guys. Sometimes I'm driving around in auto mode, coming to a stop, just cruising, and it sounds like the damn mufflers are about to explode. Oh, I love it. I wish I could capture one of those just random pops. Sometimes when you cold start the car, remote start, it pops. It's random, it's crazy, sounds good, I love it. Wouldn't have it any other way. Be sure to check the video description for all of our social media links and handles. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you can stay up to date with all things we post for you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel before you go. Check the video description for the link on the Corsa Extreme and all of our other social media links and affiliate links, Blenders Eyewear, Lux Auto Concepts, to name a few. And with all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.